super stoked. Between last night and today, this morning, afternoon, we've made significant progress in our home audio improvement project at my parents' house. Really, really excited about where we are, and take a look at this next segment. All right, more footage. So here I am under the stairs in my parents' house. It's just about 11 p.m. Major progress. So still need to clean this up, which will probably happen tomorrow. Can't wait to get that under control. But more importantly, if you look down here, we have the Raspberry Pis and the Highberry DAC plus zeros in their cases, except for one. We need to deal with that one tomorrow. But I was concerned earlier that the case was serving as a bit of a bunker, preventing Wi-Fi communications. But with these two online now, that concern has resolved itself, so no issue. We'll go ahead and get that one wrapped up tomorrow. But yeah, looking good. We actually have music playing via these guys, sending their digital signals or their analog signals, into the Denon receivers, and everything sounds great. No noise. We got really clean power. I got this neat little USB power brick off of Amazon, and that's serving us well. So great progress today. Really happy with where we are, and I'm going to clean up, get out of here, and we'll be back at it tomorrow with, I dare say, an easier task at hand. So you'll see me in the next one. So the back end portion is complete. You can hear my sister's album in the background here.
Don't hurt yourself.
Sounds really, really good. The little hi-fi berry devices on top of the Raspberry Pi Zero. You won't believe how clean the solution is. Stay tuned for the next segment. Pretty cool. Pretty cool to be where we are. I have to again reiterate some of what you heard in that snippet. Big shout out to Hi-Fi Berry. I am truly amazed at how good their specialized DACs for the Pi Zero, no less, are. I mean, they really make a big improvement. In the space that you saw in that segment, we used to use the Airport Express, and we'd do AirPlay over them, and there was always something that was quite off. I couldn't really put my finger on it until now, but it happens to be related to the fact that the integrated DAC on the Airport Expresses on the same motherboard as where the power comes in and all the other communications components, just not as good. Just the sound quality is not where it needed to be. Implementing the DAC plus zero and the obviously the Raspberry Pi Zero makes an incredible difference. I wish you could experience it in person. But for less money, who knew? Now we know. The old saying goes, if I only knew then what I know now. But yeah, making great progress. And I do look forward to bringing you the next segment, which will get back to our focus on writing some code to provide the UI that my parents are going to need to operate this new setup. But that'll do it for this one. Hope you're doing well, and you will see me in the next one.